Action Committee against the Umngot hydroelectric project, along with farmers of the area, had met Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG on the 24th of August 2021 to oppose the move of the government to dam the Umngot River. The JAC and the farmers informed that the meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister had taken place on the effects of damming the Umngot River, wherein livelihood of farmers and local tourist operators would be most affected. The JAC also stated that from henceforth, the people residing along the banks of the river would no longer accept any talks or discussions on the proposed project.
Deputy Chief Minister PRESTONE TYNSONG nak bentaban scrap no ekana project muat te nakaleng janga ngapan kacing mencai naga sarkar bahkan ai no kacubab yangi kumki JSC nang bentuk suatu kunoban jadi kena decide